In this video, instead of recommending movies to users, let's see if we can estimate what a new movie or whatever item you might have in your recommender training might be rated. So let's see if we can estimate the rating. So I'm going to clone this job or this pipeline, and we'll call it movie ratings. All right, so I'm going to get rid of all this where we actually put the movie names back, since we know how that works now. And I'll go ahead and keep both the SVD and the train wide and deep in here because both of them give us this option. So instead of an item recommendation, we just do a rating prediction. And the rating prediction doesn't give us any other parameters in SVD, so we go ahead and make that change and we're good to go. Score wide and deep, we'll switch that to rating prediction as well, and that stays the way it is. For the train wide and deep, you can see there are a lot of parameters we can set. Epochs is more or less an iteration type parameter. How big a batch do we want to set? There are a number of optimizer algorithms that we can use for both the wide part and the deep part. So this one allows quite a bit of customization. All right. So let's go ahead and run these and see what our movie ratings look like. I'll pause the video and we'll come back when it's done. Okay, you can see both of our scoring jobs are done. Let's see what the SVD gives us. So we basically get the user and the item and a rating. So we basically estimate that this user will rate this item this way. Okay, let's see what the score wide and deep looks like. 5.07669, 5.22. So the ratings are pretty close using both approaches. Let's see what that second one was. 8.88, 8.43. So slightly different algorithms, slightly different ratings, but similar in the rating score. All right, so let's go to evaluate. And when we preview, we'll get the metric here. And in this case, we get an R-squared type metric, since this is more of a regression type approach. And we can see the R-squared is not super high. RMSE and MAE, again, are two other metrics, just like we would get with a regression. And so the R-squared is 0.29 in the SVD. Let's see what it is in the wide and deep. Yeah, 0.30, so slightly higher. All right, so we can use the scoring to make recommendations or to predict what a rating will be. All right, that's the rating prediction side of the score. Let's move on and see what we'd like to do next.